So the question is that somebody asked from Sheikh Al Usaymin, what is the ruling on kissing the mushaf, a copy of the Quran? Mushaf is copy of the Quran also. And how do we understand it is being narrated that some of the companions, they used to kiss the mushaf and place it on their chest? The Sheikh Mohammed bin Saleh Al Usaymin answered, may Allah have mercy on his soul. He said that I don't believe that this is authentic and that any Sahaba would do this. Rather, this is the current day innovation, and the correct position is that this is a bid'ah. And the mushaf, the copy of the Quran, is not to be kissed, and nothing from the inanimate object is to be kissed except one thing, which is the black stone. The true respect for the mushaf, for the Quran, is that you should not touch it when you are not in a state of ritual purity, and you should act upon it and believe in it, and you should believe in the stories contains. You should obey its command and keep away from what is made haram in Quran.